So here are for the next problem down here. So next one here we're going to factorizing the quadratic trinomial. So if you're gonna remember out here we have the trinomial zone. So we're going to factor out the number zone here. We have for the a is equals to 3a squared plus 10a plus 3. Now we're going to find the two numbers that multiplies to 3. So that's going to give us with 3 times 3, that's going to have for a 9, 10. And we add the 10 down for those ones. So those numbers are going to be, numbers are 9 and 1, 10. So we have the numbers out then. Okay, so we have the 9 and 1. Now, moving on for now here. So we're going to write out 10 here for the split for the middle term. So we're going to have for the 9, so we have the 9a, and the other one would be the a then. Okay, now moving on for that one, we're going to factor out this one by group, factoring by group. So we have the 3 squared. So let's try to write it down then here as 3a squared plus a 9 a9 plus a plus 3 then. Okay, now let's try to factor this one as a group then. Okay, so we have now as 3a, then a plus 3. Now the other one would be here as plus 1 and a plus 3. Okay, now this one, the final answer that we have now is that a or 3a plus 1. Now the other would be a plus 3 then. Okay, so that's the answer for the number 1 then. Now, moving on for the b down here, we have the 5x minus 3x minus 6. Okay, so to solve for that one, let's try that one for the next one, okay?